Someday there will be love. We're going to put away the weapons. With thanks to the TV, communication can cause changes. Light illuminates, you see? And everybody's learning. We get brighter all the time. And there will be a better day when we all start to shine. And the light is love. The world is more than nations. Even nature's got a song. And we could find a harmony when we learn to get along. Yes, I've seen it on my TV, from a camera on the moon, a brighter day, Earth rising, and it's coming just as soon as we love. So you keep on hoping for a brighter day and spread the news around. We're going to build a better world. We're not going to tear it down. We're going to be the kind of people to put an end to war and start to live our lives in love like we've never loved before. Let there be love. Yes, love.